A very beautiful video of handsome Baris baktas have been shared on social media. Baris has recently attended a big event of TRT1. He was looking so much handsome. So Baris baktas' beautiful pictures are immensely liked by the fans. These are really liked and admired by the fans. Baris baktas' new beautiful video has garnered great attention on social media. Baris was looking so much handsome and beautiful. In the whole event, he was shining. Yes, guys. Many fans captured beautiful pictures with Baris, who caught up the whole limelight. Yagmur Yuksel has also shared a lot of pictures with a beautiful kid. She was also looking very cute.